Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 BMW Z4. As 2024 begins, the luxury convertible market is abuzz with the release of the 2024 BMW Z4. Known for its blend of performance, style, and advanced technology, the latest Z4 continues to embody BMW's commitment to driving excellence and luxury. The 2024 BMW Z4 convertible is offered in two distinct trims, each with its own powerful engine option. The S-Drive 30i is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This engine ensures brisk acceleration and responsive performance, ideal for both city driving and long highway cruises. For those seeking a more thrilling experience, the M40i trim features a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine that delivers an impressive 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. Both models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and precise shifts. Performance is a key highlight of the 2024 Z4. Its rear-wheel drive configuration, near-perfect weight distribution, and adaptive M suspension deliver exceptional handling and agility. The Z4's responsive steering and robust braking system further enhance the driving experience, making it a joy to navigate winding roads and tight corners. Whether you're cruising along the coast or exploring scenic routes, the Z4 provides an exhilarating open-air experience. Aesthetically, the 2024 BMW Z4 is a striking vehicle. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia give it a bold and modern appearance. The power-operated soft top can be opened or closed in just 10 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, allowing drivers to enjoy the open air at their convenience. Inside, the cabin is a testament to luxury and craftsmanship. Premium materials, sport seats, and a driver-focused layout create an environment that is both comfortable and stylish. The 2024 Z4 is packed with advanced technology and connectivity features. The BMW iDrive 7.0 infotainment system, featuring a 10.25-inch touchscreen, offers intuitive controls and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Harman Kardon surround sound system is available, providing an immersive audio experience. Safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a head-up display ensure that drivers and passengers remain safe and secure. The 2024 BMW Z4 faces competition from other luxury convertibles like the Porsche 718 Boxster, Audi TT Roadster, and Mercedes-Benz SLC. The Porsche 718 Boxster is known for its superb handling and powerful engines, the Audi TT Roadster combines sporty performance with cutting-edge design, and the Mercedes-Benz SLC offers a blend of elegance and dynamic driving. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW Z4 stands out in the luxury convertible market with its perfect blend of performance, design, and technology. Whether for spirited drives or relaxed cruising, the Z4 delivers an unparalleled open-air driving experience. As BMW continues to innovate and refine its models, the 2024 Z4 remains a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and performance.